Welcome to Giggle Whiggle Tales.
Birds chirped in the distance. Dragonflies zipped through the air. Tiny fish leaped from the sparkling water. The pond was awake with life, except for one small duckling. Her name was Lily. Lily's nest was nestled in the crook of a tall willow tree, feeling as soft as a warm blanket. The tree's long branches swayed in the breeze, creating a gentle sound like a lullaby. The warmth and coziness made Lily never want to get up. She spent her time dreaming of exciting adventures, floating on leaves, playing in the mud, and chasing dragonflies with her friends. But no matter how much fun she imagined, Lily always found it hard to wake up early. When she opened her eyes, they were still heavy, and she wanted just a few more minutes of sleep. One bright and sunny morning, Lily promised herself she would wake up early. The sky was clear and blue. The water glistened with small ripples, and the air smelled sweet, like the earth had just been kissed by rain. Taking a deep breath, Lily said to herself, "Today, I'll enjoy every moment." After a quick snack, she lay back and watched the clouds float by, imagining them were fluffy fish in the sky. Around her, frogs croaked. Her friends splashed in the pond, and the flowers filled the air with their sweet scent. Lily enjoyed watching it all, but the sleepiness never quite left. Her friends were chatting nearby about what made each of them unique. "I can swim so fast," said one. "I can fly a little," said another. "I always find the tastiest food," a third said. "And what about you, Lily?" they asked, curious. Before she could answer, Lily's eyes closed and she drifted off into a nap. Her friends giggled softly, but they didn't mind. A loud croak from a frog startled Lily awake. "Oh no, I didn't mean to nap," she said, looking embarrassed. "It's okay," her friend smiled. "We've seen your greatest talent. You're the best sleeper in the pond." Lily was surprised. She never thought of it that way. Maybe it wasn't so bad to love sleep. It was just a part of who she was. As the sun began to set, turning the sky into shades of pink and gold, Lily waddled back to her nest, feeling happy and content. She snuggled into her soft bed of leaves, and the frogs sang their evening tune. "I'm perfect just the way I am," she whispered, as she closed her eyes, ready for another peaceful sleep.